What's up everyone, Mark here with another video from the home studio amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, and today we're diving into some helpful information on the education side of things, starting with Google Classroom. What is Google Classroom? Google worked with educators across the country to create Classroom, a streamlined, easy-to-use tool that helps teachers manage coursework. With Classroom, educators can create classes, distribute assignments, grade and send feedback, and see everything in one place. With simple setup and integration with G Suite for Education, Classroom streamlines repetitive tasks and makes it easy to focus on what teachers do best: teaching. With Classroom, teachers and students can sign in from any computer or mobile device to access class assignments, course materials, and feedback. Educators can track progress with students to know where and when to give extra feedback. With simplified workflows, more energy in turn can be focused on giving students constructive, personalized recommendations. And the part we're all waiting for, the best part, Classroom is free for schools, and it's included with sign up for G Suite for Education. Like all Google for Education tools, Classroom also meets very high security standards. If you're still watching and going, what does that mean? Simply put, Classroom is a digital form of your classroom, giving you a digital facsimile of what it's like to actually run a real classroom, but all from your device. It now even includes Meet video chat functionality available in this, so you can all stay visually connected as well. If you'd like to give this a whirl, let's do some quick basics. First, visit classroom.google.com. Here, you'll have the option to either create a class or join a class. As the educator, you'll likely click Create a Class, and that will have you name the class, the section you're studying, the topic you're covering, and what room you're in. Once you're past that screen, you'll see some more options. At the top, you'll see the name of the class that you've created, along with an auto-generated class code that you can give to your students so that they can join the proper classroom online. Here, you can upload a photo or change the overall visual theme of the classroom. Beneath this, you'll find some guides showing you how to communicate with your class. You can create a post or an assignment here, adding attachments if you'd like, and then either set the post to post immediately or schedule it for later. When your students comment and respond, you can also respond to their individual comments to ensure that everyone is having their needs met. Under the Classwork tab at the top, you can assign work for your students. And mind you, this integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar so that you can set publicly viewable due dates and meetings for the entire class, as well as use a shared class drive folder within Google Drive, which you can use for uploading additional material for your students or for students to submit their classwork. Under People, you can view all educators and students in the class, or you can add educators or students to their respective roles. Lastly, the Grade section here allows you to view the grades of everyone in the classroom, but don't worry, students will not be able to see anything but their own grades. And there you have it, folks. That's a quick overview of Google Classroom. Do you have questions about features or things that you can do in the classroom? Would you like a deeper dive? If so, leave us a comment on this video or send us an email to help@promevo.com. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.